Varka is called the Knight of Boreas, but what does that mean? What even is the North Wind? And what does it tell us about his expedition?
In Greek mythology, Boreas was the god of the north wind, a bearded old man with wings and a violent temper like storm winds to boot. Boreas is also the inspiration behind the name of a legendary place called Hyperborea. Hyperborea literally translates to beyond Boreas, a magical land where people lived in eternal youth, but if you want a proper deep dive, comment Hyperborea down below. All this is very fitting for Boreas, aka Andreas, who's one of Mondstadt's four winds, and solidifies his role as a duo Cairo-Amino wielder. Back to Varka, whose title we can now roughly translate to Knight of the North Wind. But what is that scientifically speaking? From a meteorology perspective, cold winds happen because of pressure differences in the atmosphere. When air cools, its molecules slow down and pack closer together. That makes it denser and heavier. Just like water, heavy air sinks and flows along the ground, finding the path of least resistance. That movement is cold wind. One thing that causes these winds is air masses, which are large volumes of air in the atmosphere with uniform temperature and moisture that can extend thousands of kilometers. Their movement is what causes breezing winds. As the wind flows down mountains or ice sheets, gravity accelerates it, turning it into katabatic wind, which can be imagined as an avalanche of wind. Finally, because I find this part really interesting, and it's a good heads up for any poor knights who got roped into a 5-year-long expedition, let's talk about wind chill. Because if nothing else gets you a nod cry, the wind stealing your body heat will. Your body is constantly generating heat and radiating it outwards. In still air, that heat creates a thin, warm layer around your skin, a tiny bubble of protection, if you will. Every time wind blows, it strips away that warm layer, forcing your body to spend more energy heating new air. The faster the wind, the faster your body loses heat. So 0 degrees Celsius can feel like negative 15 degrees Celsius, or worse. And there's even a formula for it, which, I don't know, I just find that really cool. But don't worry, traveling knights of Mondstadt, I'm sure our dashing Grandmaster Varka has already thought of all of this and is beyond well prepared. See you guys in the next episode. This is Jeannie, signing off.